In this video, I will be showing you how to fix this YouTube version is outdated. Switch to youtube.com. Let's get started. First, I open Google Chrome on my computer. I click on the address bar at the top, type in YouTube, and press enter on my keyboard to search for it. Once the search results load, I click on the main YouTube link to open the website. If you are experiencing issues with YouTube loading properly or displaying outdated version errors, one of the main causes could be conflicting browser extensions or outdated cache and cookies. To fix this, I move my cursor up to the top right corner of the Chrome browser window and click on the three vertical dots menu. From the drop-down options, I hover over Extensions, and then click on Manage Extensions. Here in the Extensions tab, I can see all the active extensions currently installed in Google Chrome. I locate the active proxy extension, which is NordVPN, and click on the toggle switch on the bottom right of the card to turn it off and disable it. Now, I head back to the YouTube tab to see if the page works, but to ensure everything runs smoothly and free of corrupted cache, I open the Chrome menu again by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. This time, I hover down to Settings and click on it. On the left sidebar of the Settings page, I click on Privacy and Security. Next, under the Privacy and Security section, I click on Delete Browsing Data. A pop-up dialog appears with several options. I make sure the time range drop-down is set to All Time. I check the boxes for Browsing History, Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. After ensuring these options are selected, I click the blue Delete Data button at the bottom right of the pop-up. Once the browsing data is cleared, I move down to the bottom left menu on the Settings page and click on About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for any available updates and verify that Google Chrome is up to date. Updating your browser ensures full compatibility with the latest version of YouTube and prevents outdated error messages. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.